Hello, today we are introducing CP10G2. CP10 is a touch controller, a touch display that we use to control our products. For example, you can manage the HUB Series, MT Series, or for example, our Zoom Room solution, that is the BB370A, can work as a Zoom Room controller. Also, you can use as a remote controller of your PTZ cameras in your room, no matter if they are video conference camera or they are Pro AV cameras. Everything can be controlled from this machine, from this unit. It is a 10-inch touch display. It is PoE, that you can power directly from the network, or you can use the power adapter that is included, and from here you can do everything. This version, it is an Android 14 unit, and you have the latest software available in your system. So let me show you how it works. Here we have the welcome display of the CP10, that of course we can select the application that we want to use. In general, we are not going to see this display, because what we are going to do is to choose what is the application that we want to automatically launch on the startup, and it is how it's going to work. For example, if I want to make Zoom Rooms to be the default application, the only that I need to do is to select here, in the star icon, and then this application is going to be automatically executed when I power on the CP10. Okay. What application we can use in this system? Well, in this system, as a default, it is including the Zoom Rooms controller, that basically it is the application when you are working, for example, with a BB370A, that is a Zoom Room solution for medium to large rooms, that this display can work as a Zoom Room controller, that basically allows to start, stop a call, share the contents, well, the typical Zoom Rooms experience. Or also, you can sell it as a scheduled display, that this unit can be installed. It is available a wall mount that you can install in the wall, and you can see if the room is busy or what is the next meeting that is scheduled on this room. Okay, is the typical Zoom Rooms experience. If we go back, the second application that we can find is the device control panel. Well, basically you can control any AVer camera, no matter if we are talking about a Pro AV camera or a video conference camera. If we want to add a camera, it's very simple. We are going to automatically search what cameras are available in our network. Then I can put here a name, for example, CAM550. I can add the user and the password. And then I add the camera. If I want to control this camera, I only need to click in the camera, and then you can see that I can control the camera. In this case, it's a CAM570. If I want to enable imagine that I want to enable the auto framing, the camera automatically is going to auto frame the participant, in this case, Jorge and I. If it's a Pro AV camera, and it's an auto tracking, you can select the auto tracking mode and everything. The second point that is very interesting is that, of course, you can control the presets that you have set in the camera. For example, if I click here, the camera automatically is going to trigger this position, or for example, if I click here, it's going to do this position. Okay. Very interesting also, if you have the user and the password of the camera, you can access, it is more for the IT guys, you can click go to web, and it automatically is going to open the web interface of the camera, so you can do all the settings in the camera. But it is not for the user, it is more for the IT manager. Well, the other application that we have pre-installed in the system is the HUB control panel. It is for our HUB series. Our HUB series are the HDMI and USB switcher with AI functions that allows to control the whole room. So for example, from here, I can click and I can control the displays, or I can switch to a different input. Well, I can do all the control of the system. But not only this, also if I go to the room control, in the room control I can manage all the cameras that are connected to the hub, all the AVer cameras that are connected to the hub. Not only cameras, that of course, well, I can select, for example, that one. Not only these cameras, but also if I have an MT Series, it is a camera that I can control, but also if I select an MT100, for example, I can change the different layouts, that different profiles that I have here in the selected in or pre-configured in the MT500. Or for example, if I have a phone 700, I can control the status, the volume of the phone 700, or the streaming output. Remember that HUB 30, HUB 35, you can use in pass-through mode, or you can use all the cameras in IP mode, or you can enable the Connect AI mode, that is an auto switching between the front and the rear camera depending of the usage. So it's really convenient. Remember that in the HUB series, the interface is you can totally customize, and you can add or remove buttons to adapt to your customer needs. Also, if you are the IT guy and you have the user password to access, you can set up the HUB unit that you have in the room. Okay. The last one is the MT control panel. MT control panel allows to control an MT series, MT100, MT300, and in the future the MT500 device. So from here you can switch in the different layouts that you have created. In this case we have only configured a couple of them, but also if you are the administrator, you can access to the settings if you have the user password, and you can do all the necessary settings from the unit. Remember that this unit is more for the user, but of course for the IT manager, you can get the advantage and you avoid to use your own computer to do any setting. Last thing, remember that, for example, if in my room I have a HUB series, a HUB 30 installed to control the room, and I want that this system automatically launch the HUB control panel when I start the unit, I only need to click here, and next time when I power on the unit, automatically is going to open the HUB control panel. So if you want to know more about CP10, please contact your local distributor in your country, and they are going to give you all the details. Thank you very much.